The Source is a unique resource that brings together documents related to women's health in Canada in one location. The Source encourages researchers, students, practitioners, and policymakers to incorporate sex and gender-based analysis, or SGBA, into their work. This short tutorial will walk you through each of the website's components. Let's start with the Source, which is the main website. The purpose of the Source is to connect users with data that can be used to conduct SGBA. The Source houses data entries that are linked to various topics on women's health. The headings on the left-hand side will help you navigate to the topic-specific SGBA overviews, as well as related data sources. The topics are organized into 3 categories: health status, health determinants, and health services. By clicking on one of the headings, you will see a drop-down list of women's health topics. The leaf icon represents topics related to women's health and the environment. The apple icons refer to healthy living topics. Click on a specific topic to be shown an SGBA overview on that health issue. The definition section provides introductory information on the topic and statistics on the prevalence of the health issue in Canada. The sex issues section outlines biological or physical issues. Differences in how men and women experience this health issue are presented when appropriate. The gender issues section details how the social roles of men and women affect their health. For the diversity section, the health issue is discussed in regards to how it affects diverse groups of women. Finally, the critique section analyzes issues of data availability and quality for each health topic. To see the related data sources on this topic, click on the Go to Data Sources button. This page lists provincial, national, and international data sources related to a specific topic. Data sources are ranked by relevance with more specific data sources listed at the top. You can quickly filter these results by keyword or region using the search function at the top of the results page. The flag icon identifies the geographic region that is included in the data. Each data source is introduced with a brief description. If you click on the Go directly to the website link, a new window will open showing the general website for that data source. To see more information on a data source, click See Detailed Description. The Format row will specify the type of data source, such as survey, database, or data manipulation tool, for example. The Detailed Description box will tell you who administered the data source, what population is covered in the data, and when the data were collected. The Information Collected box details the types of questions or information that are included in this data source. This information can be helpful when determining what types of research questions have or have not been examined. The General Access box indicates where you can access the data directly and links to existing data reports and summary sheets. The Restricted Access box provides instructions on how to access data not publicly available to researchers. Close the description box to hide these details. You can add entries to a shortlist as you review the list of data sources. Click View Shortlist to see your shortlist at any time. There is also an Advanced Search tab in the toolbar. The Advanced Search allows you to incorporate specific search criteria. These include keywords or specific data sources. You can filter for a specific type of data, such as a survey or database, as well as entries from a specific province. The source also includes a section called SGBA Applications. This section provides an overview on the importance of women's health indicators. It also includes information on various frameworks used to understand women's health indicators. You can read this section online or download the document in PDF. There are 2 other resources that are part of the source. To access either the survey or the synthesis from the source, You can return to the main landing page at www.womenshealthdata.ca, or you can click on the icons along the right-hand margin. The survey is a searchable database of women's health reports. The database includes reports issued by health authorities, governments, nonprofit organizations, and community groups. These reports are often not available or cataloged elsewhere. To search the database, click on the yellow tab or click on the Find a Resource tab in the toolbar. You can enter a specific title, keyword, or author. You can also filter for provincial, national, or international entries, publication type, and publication year. The survey entries are introduced by a short overview followed by a detailed description of the report. The description includes the area covered in the entry, author, publication type, year of publication, and citation. The entry includes a link to the document for downloading and/or a link to the website where the document is available. To go to the synthesis, we will click on the icon to the right. The synthesis houses various summaries on women's health topics. This section includes evidence reviews, critiques, environmental scans, and systematic reviews. The synthesis shares the same structure as the source. Use the advanced search function to search by title, keyword, or author. You can filter for provincial, national, or international entries, publication type, and publication year. Or use the headings on the left-hand side to navigate to specific women's health summaries. Entries in the synthesis include a brief overview and a description of the entry. The description includes the area covered by the entry, author, publication type, year of publication, and citation. The entry also includes a link to the document for downloading and/or a link to the website where the document is available. The entries in the synthesis are cross-referenced to the SGBA overviews we looked at previously in the source. By clicking on one of these links, a new window will open displaying the related SGBA page in the source. Are you looking for women's health research in French? Check La Source, a complementary website which links users to the body of research available in French on women's health in Canada. La Source can be accessed from within any of the 3 sites. Do you know of a women's health document that we should include? Please contact us at info@womenshealthdata.ca.